Okay, what we've got here, it's a rim cylinder lock, Genie it's called. This is a homemade circular tension tool that I've made. They work okay, not the best, but you know, does the job. The reason I'm using that is just purely so you can see a bit more what's going on rather than blocking my hand in front of the camera and using a normal tension wrench. I'm going to be using this rake, which is like the saw rake from the Southford 22-piece pick set. Basically all I'm going to do is put this into the keyway, tilt the back end of the pick down slightly, which will raise the front, and then I'm just going to rake in and out. While I'm doing that, I'm putting very light turning pressure on the circular tension tool. Let's just try and angle the camera a little bit better for you. That's probably a better angle for you. So slight pressure on there, and all I'm doing is gentle raking. Probably hear the planes going over right on the flight plan, which is shocking. And there you go. You can see that's open, yeah, all the way around back to the beginning. So that's the homemade circular tension tool with the saw rake from the Southford 22-piece pick set, raked in no time.